Hello viewers, this is Junjun and you're watching Junjun's Easy Kitchen. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope all of you are keeping safe and healthy. The balcony is a place that connects you with the outdoor. You can relax in the midst of greenery and get some fresh air. As all of you have seen my previous balcony makeover video, and for those who have not seen it yet, I will link it down below. Today I will be sharing with you a simple everyday balcony look. This is the look of my balcony right now. As you can see, it is dull and boring and it has become a dumping ground of unwanted things. The makeover that I am going to show is affordable and can be done with things available in our homes. I have started by shifting this pot plant so it is out of the way. I have put it in the left side or corner of my balcony. Let's get rid of the stool now. Next, I have shifted the white pebbles to the furthest end of the balcony to cover the drain outlet. Now I am moving the grass carpets towards the pebbles. As you can see, my daughter is also helping me with the makeover. As the opening of my balcony is that side and is exposed to rain, wind, sun, dust, so we are shifting the plastic chairs to that side. These are two ottomans which were lying idle in my bedroom, so I decided to get it into the balcony to increase the seating. As these are made of upholstery, I have kept it on the opposite side of the opening of the balcony so that it is not exposed to rain, wind, dust and sun. Friends, as you can see, whatever things are available at home, I am using those only. Align the ottoman well to make a combined sitting. Now let's move on to the marble platform. As you can see, the marble platform is not used at all. So first of all, let's clear it out and plan what to do about it. Lots of dust have accumulated in the shelf, so I am cleaning it out with Dettol water. Let's start with keeping the plants together. Here I have two blue vases and I have started distributing the white flowers. Each of them go to the corner of the marble slab. I have arranged the flower so that it looks fuller. I have put a diffuser in one end of the marble slab. This is citronella essential oil which smells divine and is a mosquito repellent too. In the middle of the marble slab, I have put a box with some essentials. A mosquito repellent spray, an essential oil and tea light candles. I have also put a notebook and a pen for my habit of making list of things to do. You must have seen this in my what's in my bag video. If not, I will link it down below. This is the look of the marble slab. I don't want to add many things to clutter it. Here I am adding the green candle to go with the green theme. So the colors complement each other. Before we move on to the next part of the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now I am moving to the marble seating of the other side of the balcony. Here I am going to add some cushions to make it comfortable to sit on. Let's add some cushions to the plastic chairs as well. I am trying to make this dull and boring space into colorful and cheerful space. As you can see friends, the color scheme is contrasting each other. Now adding 2 round back cushions to the ottoman as well. So for the wall above the marble sitting, I have hung 3 baskets which were lying idle in my home. I have used sticky hooks for it. I am adding a small table between the plastic chairs. On this table, I have put some chocolates in a crystal Tygene. So this is the final and simple and everyday look of my balcony. I have not added too many things to clutter it, but as and when it is required, I keep changing the look of the balcony to cater to different situations. It is easy to maintain, easy to do with things lying in your home. You just have to be a little creative. When I have friends and family over, I get this trolley of snacks and drinks to the balcony so that they can relax and chill in this space. I have made it a perfect space to chill, relax or even work during this work from home season due to pandemic. You can browse in your iPad or read a book with a cup of coffee. Or even have a nice chat with your friends over the phone. I hope I have helped you and gave you some ideas to redecorate your balcony space. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.